Hey guys, it's me again here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I'm pretty sure you guys saw my video about a couple days ago where I was talking about how my YouTube videos will be going up on TikTok. Well, let me just tell you something. Before I get started in here, I want to ask you, because I know there's a lot of people that's been saying I haven't recorded Fortnite for a while on YouTube. If you guys want, I know I'm not going to be putting Fortnite on YouTube, but if you guys want me to record Fortnite, I can just put it on like my TikTok. For anyone who wants to watch me play Fortnite on TikTok, if you guys want. But anyway, what I want to say in this video is today I went to Bowling Green. Today, and I was looking at the tornado damage, what there is that got hit by the tornado, what it looked like 8 months later from December 11th of 2021. Looks like there's been some cleanup in the I just want to show you guys some pictures. I've got some pictures before from December 11th, 2021. And then I got pictures that I took today on June, I guess this is June 7th of 2021, about almost 8 months later. There's a little bit of damage still there, but the houses that got the bigger damage is still being repaired, but the houses that had the least little damage is already rebuilt. So I'm going to show you, so here's some pictures of the tornado damage from Bowling Green, Kentucky, from December 10th of December 10th and 11th of 2021, and what it looks like now 8 months later. Oh, that second floor's gone. No, they're still working on that house.
They went over here. Some posts.
I'm getting this side because this is where the worst of it was on this side. Yeah, 8 months later. There was damage up on Nutwood too, and Fatted Calf, which I think we just passed. Got it going. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Their windows being repaired on that one. Well, that one's still. Oh, this is the house where I had the tree in the yard, and there was an old man standing out in front of it. That's almost finished. That had the roof ripped off of it. Yeah, I remember. And they got a new pole up because last time we came through, this pole was bent. Oh my gosh. I wonder if there's anything down through here. We didn't go down through here. Screen doors. Oh, that back of that house is freaking roof off the porch area back that one on that one house. You know, I find it funny they haven't replaced the street lights yet on the poles. Okay, I don't think these houses got hit.
Trees are destroyed right there.
Yeah, those trees. Yeah, this is the area where the tornado hit 8 months ago. Remember the first time I came down here, it was complete destruction. That house. Oh, that one may have gotten. I don't think I've ever seen this one, but that one had to have gotten hit worse. That's probably why they're repairing it. Eventually, I want to make my way to Mayfield, but they're still destroyed.
Things don't happen overnight.
I know. Except we was down here about 12 hours after the storm hit.
That window in that house.
That chimney is good being repaired.
Oh, wow.
What the?
I like the black house.
Hey, at least it ain't been touched.
I like that. It looks like a brand new one. It's even got a black building in that.
This one here is new. Because it's still got stickers in it. It may be where people's built stuff back.
Could be.
I like the black
Someone-
house.
I bet that house probably was the only one that hadn't get touched.
It's a new house, Corbin. It probably just got rebuilt.
Oh, that's gonna be a good house. Look at the design of it. I bet there used to be a smaller house that sat there and they tore it down and they're rebuilding it. Tornado that went through here was an F3.
Ain't no tornado that's good.
I never said that. I said the one that went through here was an F3. That house didn't even get touched at all. I don't think.
Maybe stuff has already been fixed back. You can't say that they don't get touched because they may already be fixed back.
All I know is that we went down the other street. The street we just got off of. All I know is that the street we went down, it was all complete destruction the day because we went down here 12 hours after it hit. We're on Nutwood now.
They don't know that it's a major thing.
I just saw a guy sitting out on his porch chilling. I don't think this end of Nutwood got hardly damaged though. I wonder if Taco Bell got rebuilt. Because the only thing that happened to Taco Bell is that the windows got blown out. I would have hated to live on this street the day it happened. Grease Monkey? Oh, I guess that billboard got hit. I don't know what used to be on that billboard. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I can see there's a house real built over there. I don't think it. This whole general area got hit by the tornado because up there's the fatted calf.
That's what used to be a fatty calf.
Probably. Okay, I think it did go through that slide because I just saw damage. What I don't get is how it touches certain buildings, but then this ain't been touched, and then the other thing over here on this side got did.